snowing to camp. Bill's taking care of breakfast for us.
Right. That's that red bear.
It's important too. Shrimp and salmon omelets this morning. Nice. We don't want everybody to know how too much fun we're having up here. See what we hauled down the hill this morning. Coyote that didn't make it. Little buck that didn't make it.